Hello, my name is Consumer Goods Expert and I love coffee. However, in the summer it's impossible to drink coffee without starting to sweat like a pig because it's so hot already outside. But now, luckily, Nestle Corporation has come up with solution. Shazam! NESCAFÉ Gold iced latte, salted caramel. So this is a product that will actually make you cooler when you drink it in the summer. But not only that, it also came with this cool ice cube tray for free. Isn't that amazing? NESCAFÉ Gold iced latte. Let's go ahead and prepare it and see how it tastes like. Here's the box, and right from the start we can see that it looks really cool. It's shiny all over the place and is reflecting the light very nicely. The Nescafé logo here is also golden, so that's pretty cool. And it looks really appealing. Look at this. This looks yummy. I wanna drink this. On the side we have the guide. So you just pour in 4-degree water and stir for 20 seconds, so it's fast to make. Nutrient values here. Pause the video if you want to check. And on the side it's just a grown respectfully commercial. Yeah, nothing else. The code if you wanna see it. Anyway, let's open it up and see what it has inside. Okay, let's go see. Nice. The packaging inside is the same as every other Nescafe, so no surprises here. And it comes with 7. That's good. 7. Nice. I think we shall go ahead and just pop it open. There's nothing else to see here. The color is the same as every other Nescafe, so no surprise here either. Let's pour it in. Ooh, look at that. Now we just get cold water and pour it in the cup. 1 second. Ooh, looks yummy. I think that's about it. Let's not put too much, otherwise the flavor will be bad. I think this is fine. 200 milliliters. I think I put a little bit too much. Well, it's gonna be fine. And now 20 seconds has gone. It's time for the ice. So this is the ice cube tray that I got free with it. Let's pop a couple of cubes here. Ooh, look at the coffee. It's making these weird layers. See? That's really cool. You can see different layers here inside. Nice. It's like waves in the coffee. See? Okay, time to put the ice. Guess we just go like this. Ooh, 1, 2. These ice cube trays, hard to get the ice out. By the way, let's look at the ice, because I think there was this Nestle logo here. Yeah, you can't really see it, but it's supposed to have this Nescafe logo printed on the ice, but it didn't work for some reason. Oh, there it is. There it is. You can barely see it. Yeah, you can see the Nescafe logo here. 3 and 4. Let's go for 5 because it's really hot outside. I need it to be freezing. I want to have it cool. Ooh, look at that. That is looking really yummy. And look at the foam. The foam is on the top. Oh, nice. Let's go ahead and taste it up. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's see how the Nescafé Gold iced latte tastes like. I really like how it has a lot of foam on the top. Like, how did this happen? Where did the foam come from? Is this normal with the iced lattes? And look, can you hear? The ice is making a nice noise when you stir it. It's like a music to my ears. Ah, the cup, it feels so cold. No more sweating after drinking coffee. But the most important thing, how does it taste like? Let's see. Smell is good. What about the taste? Oh, so good. This is a perfect iced latte. This is a perfect iced latte. Like, I don't know how could it taste any better. Like, you get the latte flavor in your mouth and you're not sweating because it's hot. It's actually cold. Like, this is some Starbucks level stuff. Like, when I go to Starbucks and I order iced latte, it tastes exactly the same as this Nestle NESCAFÉ salted caramel. However, I just remembered, salted caramel. I'm not tasting any salted caramel here. This tastes just like normal latte. Where is the salted caramel? There is a little bit of salted caramel, you know, but for me this tastes just like normal latte. Like, I don't get any flavor of the salted caramel. But I don't mind, because this is already super good. I think the normal latte is much better than the salted caramel anyway. It's so cool. Like, I'm cooling down. It's 30 degrees outside and I'm just drinking cold coffee. Like, life couldn't be any better. This makes me cool, not sweaty, and it tastes excellent. I would give this 10 out of 10. If this was a Nescafe just iced latte. But however, I forgot that this was supposed to be salted caramel. And I don't taste any salted caramel here. So I'm gonna drop it down to 9 out of 10. I might have made a mistake by putting too much water or something, but I actually don't taste salted caramel at all. Or it might be because I put so much freeze in it. I put I put 5 pieces of ice. So that might like block the flavor of salted caramel, because when the food is cold, you don't actually taste the flavor so well. That's why people heat up the food. I just taste the coffee here and it's perfect. 9 out of 10. NESCAFÉ Gold salted caramel iced latte. Definitely go buy this, especially in this super hot heat. Like, you need to cool down, and this is a perfect product for it. Thank you, Nestle, for another amazing product. I will keep buying your coffees if you make them like this every time. Thank you. So yummy. And make sure to comment, like, and have you ever tasted this coffee before? Tell me what did you think about it. I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe.